To present the staff of office to His Royal Majesty.
We have, I heard some people went to court. I don't know what anybody is going to court for. I don't know what they want. Well, what we are doing today is a formal ceremony. It's a formal what? Ceremony. This is one of the stools that is so respected in the state and in the country. When your father was alive, he carried himself very high. There's nobody in this state that never respected your father. Nobody. And nobody. And that was why he made the name he made, and people go to him to seek advice. When he was alive, I remember when I was running for election, I had to go to his palace to seek for blessing. And he made it clear. He did not prevaricate, he did not pretend. It was too open. In fact, I was preaching myself, this too open is not too good though. It was too open. He said, look, there's nothing to hide that as far as he's concerned, he will give me blessing and he will not give anybody any other blessing. And that was it. That was it. So Ogbaland, the stool is one of those stools that, and when I told the chairman, he said he was going to be there. He had not been where other people were giving, but he said for this seat, because I know too how close it was. So people should learn how to live in harmony. People should learn how to live in peace. When you have a bad child, you have a bad child. There's nothing you can do about it. Some people like to destroy their parents' legacies. What are you going to court for? You know the tradition. Why do you allow people to use you to destroy what your late great-grandfathers and your fathers have done? It is you want to be used. Something that has never happened, you want to start it. Tomorrow when you die, you say, don't know who killed you. You begin to, sometimes, these days I tell people, it's not everybody that died that they cry. Sometimes people just, based on the activities, you don't know. You go and incur the wrath of the gods of the land. Be careful. Be careful. And that is why all of you too must open your eyes. Be vigilant. Be vigilant on those who will come to you to solicit for one thing or the other. You have to be very, very vigilant. Because I don't understand it. A tradition that has been there is true that people respect. You want to bring to disrepute, to subject of litigation. Nobody should play politics with this kind of, don't play politics with it. So, for me, somebody sent me a text, I don't know who he is. He's telling me, oh, I'm a man of rule of law. Who told you that? Is it today now I'm a man of rule of law? Have you ever agreed before I'm a man of rule of law? Oh, I should know that the matter is in court. I said, is there any injunction against me? I called my attorney general. He said there's not, don't even. I said, what's my business? We have already recognized long. It just had no time to formally present. So what I'm doing today is the ceremony. So it is not as if we have recognized them long. The day he was coronated, government recognized, and I sent representative. So what do you want again? Today is just like when you marry. They say, call people, let's do traditional and engage. Those are just ceremonies. The marriage has taken place. So, by the powers conferred on me as the governor of Rivers State, I hereby present the certificate of recognition to His Royal Majesty, Eze Dr. Nwachukwu S. Obuoha, Obi III, as Eze Ogba of Ogbaland. President, let me advise the Eze Ogba of Ogbaland. Use this opportunity to keep your people together, to keep the tradition of Ogba people together, and speak firmly like your father used to speak. He was a very straightforward person. A man, when he tells you yes, it is yes. When he tells you no, it is no. And I want you to carry this office with that kind of reputation. And I assure you, government will always be with you. Government will continue to support you so that you can have an everlasting peace during your reign. Sleep with your two eyes closed. I will defend this matter to the last. You don't need to trouble yourself at all. Sleep and sleep very, very well. I want you also to talk to your youth. Violence does not help. I remember some time ago, virtually every economic commercial activities crumbled in particularly Ogba and local government. Everything crumbled. Banks ran away. I remember one crossover night. Our children were massacred. I said, well, it is either we'll do the right thing or we'll forget it. I thank God today. Government put their foot down and said, enough is enough. And we succeeded. Today, banks have returned, commercial activities have returned. And their father did everything he could do and said, look, this is not acceptable. But he had his limitation. But thank God there is peace. I fully told that when you do certain things, government cannot support you because you didn't take government in confidence when you carried out such actions. And that is why it has been difficult when you take steps that government is not aware. Government will abandon you. But if you work in consonance with government and you take actions, there's no way government will deny you. Government will say, yes, we are party to it, we are aware of this, because you too, you did not fulfill our agreement. But when you go and fight alone, you may not be able to achieve the required result. So we need to work together. I'm aware of the activities of the multinationals and the rest. But sometimes we do it in a wrong and though you don't get the government sympathy and support. I've always told you, I'm not a friend of the IOCs. I'm not. But let us collaborate and work together. So if anything happens, we can come out and say, we are responsible, not the people. That is the way we operate. So I please want to advise you to use your office to talk to our youth. Let them collaborate with us so that we work together. If there are multinationals who are not doing what they are supposed to do, you let us know, because you are part of River State. Your demands are genuine. But when you don't pursue it in a way that people have sympathy with you, you lose everything. That's what I want to appeal to you to continue to do. You are now in a leadership position. Leadership is dustbin. Leadership is what? Dustbin. Everything will be thrown on you, good and bad. Will be thrown on you. Just like people are throwing on me, good and bad. Because every day you abuse me here, you abuse me here. Now they are clapping hand. Eze Ogba, oh, do this and that. Because I have done the one they want. Is it not true? As they go now, they hear that one. Stupid, useless. So that's what leadership is all about. So you don't need to get angry. Take up. That is the responsibility you have now. Me, I'm living by me. Yeah, you continue. So at least me, I have few months where they will abuse me. But you, they will abuse you as years come. so you must accept it in good faith. That is all about leadership. Leadership is not about those in government. Traditional institution is also leadership. That is what it's all about. So please, 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 don't see yourself as an ordinary person again. See yourself as God traditionally has bestowed on you to lead the people of Ogba. Whatever you think, we can work together in order to uplift the people of Ogba. We are really willing to partner with you. I think that some of the stools as people we should discuss with, talk with their maturity, with their experience, and their straightforwardness. The Honorable for Popo is here. Very experienced. He's been here as the chairman. We have worked together. And so I believe that we will also work together. Once more, congratulations to the people of Ogba. Finally, they are alert, shine your eyes. Armed robbers from Abuja are coming. They are not our friends. Do you understand me? They are the ones leading those who went to court. I will teach them a lesson. Thank you and God bless you.